In today's video, we will be looking at Canva's AI image generator. So what we do is we're going to create a design. So we'll just go to, let's say, social media, and we'll go to Instagram post. So once this is open, we go down to apps on your left side, click on apps, and you can, if you've already downloaded it, you can check it on your apps, which I have, which is text to image, or you can go up here and type in text to image, and it's the first one here. So you click that, and here it is. You have the space for the prompt, and you have all the different styles that you can do, and the aspect ratio. So the aspect ratio is square, so we'll leave it at square. So let's type in something. For example, let's say if you want to do a wallpaper, so we can do something like bluebirds and pink butterflies on a pretty background. So let's just create this image without applying any of these styles first. And this is how it's created. So this looks pretty good, like that. This is nice too. So now let's try the same thing, but let's try with a different style. So let's try it with a photo style of a photo. You also can have digital art, got photography, just photo, vibrant, minimalist, neon, filmic. Then you've got digital art, psychedelic, you've got anime, dreamy, all these different kinds. You've got color pencil. We've even got ink print. So let's try ink print. So I like this. This is pretty good for an ink print. And we can try one more. Let's click on the styles and maybe do a photo. And we create again. So we do have different styles here. Looks pretty. Let's add another page. We'll try one more, which is psychedelic, and we'll create again. I do like this. That's pretty good. You can use it for wallpaper. You can use it as a logo, as a thumbnail. You can use it for various things. So this is pretty nice. Now do remember though that you have credits down here. So once your credit runs out, it will be refreshed, but at a different date. Now let's say for this one, this pink one, you want to change it. So you click on that, you go up here to edit photo, and you can have these different ways to edit it. You can adjust it. You have black and white. Black and white looks good. You have noir. You have ink. You have noir. So this noir version means black, but you have black and white shades of black and gray. So you can go up here to adjust it. So you can adjust the whole image. You can adjust the temperature. So as you adjust the temperature, if you can see, let's make it a bit bigger so you can see. See, it's adjusted. You can adjust the tint. So you can change the colors as well. So bear that in mind. You can change the brightness and all these various options here. So that's the AI image generator that Canva has, and I hope you like it.